Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a showdown between Jobber and Yardbook, two popular field service software options in 2025. If you're managing landscape, lawn care, and any service business and wondering which platform suits your best, I'll walk you through the key difference and features to help you decide. Jobber shines with its polished user interface and strong scheduling tools. It lets you manage clients, dispatch teams, and automated invoicing easily. One of its strengths is how it handles customer communication, sending codes, reminders, and receipts smoothly. Jobber also integrates with a well-known payment process, making it simple to get paid quickly. Yardbook, meanwhile, it offers a more budget-friendly solution with solid features for small teams. It covers everything from estimating and scheduling to invoicing and payment collection. Yardbook also includes handy marketing tools like email campaign and customer reviews to help you grow business. Both platforms have mobile apps, but Jobber's app offer more refined experience with real-time updates and GPS tracking, which is great if your team always on to go. Yardbook's app is straightforward and gets the job done, especially for small crews. Price-wise, Yardbook is generally more affordable, making it attractive for startups or small business, while Jobber's features cater to growing companies needing more automation and integration. So if you want a polished, feature-rich platform and don't mind the highest cost, Jobber is a great pick, but if you are on a tight budget and need solid basics with marketing extras, Yardbook worth watching out. Thanks for watching. If this helps you to figure out whether Jobber or Yardbook fits your field service needs, be sure to like, drop your questions below, and subscribe for more business software reviews. Catch you in the next video.